Welcome everyone, and thank you so much for joining in this very important update here on price action of Bitcoin. As we can see guys, Bitcoin right now looks like following some of the most interesting scenario, a scenario which is pointing us where the price in the immediate short term, where the price for the coming days might be possibly heading. So before I start talking about it, I want you guys to do me a favor and destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much. Now, first thing first, looking at this descending channel breakout formation, the pullback what we had, or the retracement what we had, is very normal. If you look at this descending channel breakout scenario, I mean a pullback around the previous temporary resistance line is very normal, and exactly after testing the upper trend line from the descending channel, you can see we started seeing a relief rally. So if this here plays out as a bullish continuation pattern, a descending channel is a bullish continuation pattern, then you can see guys, Bitcoin must remain above 95 to 100,000. This 95 to 100,000 support is not allowed to break, but remaining above that price range means this pullback of what we are witnessing right now could be just a temporary pullback before expecting another bullish continuation. And why? Because breaking out from this descending channel parallelly also means that we are breaking out from this symmetrical triangle top. This is a symmetrical triangle top breakout which has already started. This bullish continuation pattern has already started. So the pullback what we are witnessing here, just like from this descending channel breakout, could be just a retest. Yes guys, previous temporary resistance line being retested, which also acted as support. So now remaining above 95 to 100,000 means this pullback was just a retest, and we are expecting the price of Bitcoin to show another continuation like this. I mean, a new all-time high is imminent if the price in the medium short term manages to remain in between 95 to 100,000. And now, even according to our leading indicator, you can see the pullback what we witnessed yesterday is very normal. I mean, after testing the monthly R1 line, we went even higher, but now since we are below it, it doesn't mean we are overly bearish. This could be just a temporary pullback, and I showed you why. I mean, during uptrend, if you go back and look at the price action of Bitcoin, for example here, during uptrend, you can see during uptrend, in more than 90% of cases, price always comes and tests the monthly R1 line, and each and every time whenever the monthly R1 line has been tested, it also indicates the upcoming month is going to be bullish. So in our case, we have already broken out of this R1 line, and now we are seeing some pullback, but this pullback does not necessarily mean we are bearish. If the price simply remains above this CPI trend line, even the upcoming month CPI is going to be an ascending CPI like this, and ascending CPI only gets formed during uptrend. You can see here, this CPI was higher than the previous month CPI. This CPI was higher than the previous month CPI. So each and every time whenever the CPI starts forming an ascending CPI, even the price shows a continuation in this manner. So that's why remaining above the CPI trend line means the price of Bitcoin could be printing another ascending CPI, and the month of Feb is also going to be bullish. And now even according to this volume profile, as you can see, this red line, the POC line, point of control line, also shows us that this is the area where the most trading activity occurred. So that means around 96,000 we have support for Bitcoin. We know we have support from this CPI indicator here, right? We have support from this symmetrical triangle upper trend line. We have support from this descending channel upper trend line. So you can see above 95 to 100,000 we have extremely important support line for Bitcoin. And even if the price starts showing a move like this, please do not worry, that will be just a retest, and price of Bitcoin after that is expected to head higher, because around that area we also have support from this Williams alligator indicator. And if we look at this Williams alligator indicator carefully, this is a bullish Williams alligator indicator. I mean, whenever you see green line appearing at the top, blue line at the bottom, it results in a bullish move. I mean, each and every time you can see whenever the price of Bitcoin started with a new uptrend, pullback or a retest around this Williams alligator indicator resulted in a very nice bounce, because this during uptrend, whenever you see this bullish Williams alligator indicator crossover, pullback around that area, I mean just a retest, and price after that is expected to head higher. So in our case, if this here results in another continuation to the downside like this, you know, this Williams alligator indicator will be looked as additional support, and price of Bitcoin after that is expected to show a move in this manner, because we know beside the support, you can see beside the support from this Williams alligator indicator, we also have support from this Bollinger Band basis line or the center line. During uptrend, this line has been tested again and again. You can see just like with this Williams alligator indicator, the basis line has been tested again and again, but it has resulted in an impulsive move. So in our case, the upper band got broken, which only happens during uptrend. So any sort of a pullback, now the same basis line which during downtrend acts as resistance will be acting as support for Bitcoin. So we have so many support for Bitcoin above 95,000, support from this Bollinger Band, support from this Williams alligator indicator, support from this POC line, the volume profile, support from this CPI indicator, support from this symmetrical triangle, and even the support from this falling channel or descending channel. So please do not get confused. Remaining above 95 to 100,000 means the upcoming days for Bitcoin, even according to this weekly time frame, is bullish. I mean, price has broken out of this falling wedge. A falling wedge is a bullish continuation pattern. So in the medium short term, if the price starts showing weakness, gets attracted in between 95, 100,000, but remains above that trend line, then it will be looked as a temporary pullback, and price of Bitcoin after that is expected to show another continuation here to the upside to make a new all-time high. Yes, guys, I strongly believe the price of Bitcoin has not ended this bull phase, and any sort of a pullback here in the medium short term could be giving us a buying opportunity. So this is what I see looking at the price action of Bitcoin in a different time frame using different scenarios. If you enjoyed my work, then please do not hesitate to destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye bye.